Okay, today we are going to practice finding the area of a shape. Now, if you remember from our previous lesson, we've had to find the area of a rectangle before. So if we had 5 on this side and 2 on this side, and remember area equals length times width. To find this area, we would just do 5 times 2, both sides, and we would get 10. 10 would be the area of this rectangle. Now we're going to do the same concept, just a little more, it's a little different. So if I have a shape, this is going to look like a backwards L. I have this shape, and this side is 9 yards long, this side is 5 yards long, this is 4 yards long, and this is 7 yards long. We need to find the area of this rectangle. Let's remember that area equals length times width, okay? The area of this rectangle. We need to split this L into 2 different shapes, 2 different rectangles. You can do that 2 ways. You can either go sideways like this, or you can go down like this, okay? I'm going to go ahead and go sideways, okay? So now I have 2 rectangles. I have this one up here, and I have this one on the bottom. We'll make it green so it's a little easier to notice. So if I were to find the area of this orange rectangle first, we need to have 2 sides length, okay? We already know one side. This full length right here is 7 yards. 7 yards. We just need to find the width, okay? The width is missing. This side right here is what we need to find. Now, kind of look down here. If this big long side is 5 yards and this small side is 4 yards, all we need to do is do 5 minus 4 to get this length right here. Okay, so I'm just going to write it right here. That way I can see it. 5 minus 4, and that is 1. So for this orange triangle, or this orange rectangle, we're going to multiply 7 times 1 to get the area of it. And 7 times 1 is 7. So our orange area is 7. Now we need to find the area of our green rectangle, okay? We know one side, this long side right here, is 5 yards, so I'm going to do 5 times, and we just need to find the width again. So we need to find the length of this part right here. Now if this full side is 9 yards, this small one is not, okay? We need to figure out what this is, what this small part is. So we're going to take 9 minus 7 to get this small part. This full side minus the 7 to get this small part. Okay? I'm going to write it down because I'm a visual person. I like to see it. 9 minus 7 is 2. So now we need to do 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Now to get the area of this full L shape, what do you think we're going to do? Yes, you are correct. We're going to come and add 10 plus 7. We're going to add our green shape and our orange shape together. And 10 plus 7 is 17. So the area of this shape is 17 yards squared because we multiplied. Okay? When you're writing your answer, make sure you use this measurement, okay? Whatever is on the side of your number, that's what needs to be on the side of your answer. So the area of this L shape is 17. Okay? We're going to do another one together. Let me erase this. Now if you need to, while I'm making this, while you're watching this video, grab a piece of paper and do it with me. That way you have notes for when you do it on your own. Alright, our next shape we're going to practice together looks like this. Okay, and we have this side is 12 inches, this side is 6 inches, this side is 14 inches, and this side right here is 6 inches. Okay, so our first step is to split this shape into 2 rectangles. I went sideways on the last one, so I'm going to go up on this one, like that. Now I have 2 shapes. I want to do my colors again, just because it's easier to see sometimes. So we need to find the area of our green shape. Okay, so we have one side. This one side is 6. And we need to find this side right here. Just to right here. We can't go all the way, so we can't use the full 14. We need to figure out what this side is. This side right here. Since we can't use the full 14, we can use this 12 down here because the 12 is the measurement just to that dotted line. So I'm going to do 6 times 12. Okay? Now if you don't know what 6 times 12 is, come to this side and write it like this. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry your 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So the area for this green shape is 72 inches squared. Now let's find the area of our orange shape. Okay, the area of our orange shape. We need to find this full length right here, this full side. In order to do that, we're going to take this side and add them together. So we have 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 6? 12. Good. So now we know that this side is worth 12 inches. Now we need to find this width right here. In order to find this width right here, we need to take the big side, 14, minus 12. 14 minus 12, which is 2. So the small side is 2 inches. That orange is a little hard to see, so I'm going to write it over it in black for you. Okay. So now we need to add these two or multiply these two together to get the area. So we need to do 12 times 2. If you don't know what that is, come to the side and do 12 times 2. Oops, sorry, my hand's in the way. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So this is 24. And once we get the answer for both of those, we're going to add them together. So I'm going to come to the side and do 72 plus 24. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. So our area for this entire shape is 96 inches squared. Okay, rewatch this video, slow it down, pause it, do step by step so that you're able to understand. Okay, good luck.